never make your friends or clients listen to bad audio. One of the best productivity hacks I can recommend for you to speed up your workflow, create video content faster, and capture better audio is a good quality mic arm. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Elgato Wave Mic Arm. I'm going to give you a quick review in comparison to the Rode PSA1, which I used for over a year. So let's check it out. First time I've seen this product, I ordered it on Amazon. It was budget friendly. I think it came in around $140. And I've had the cheaper one made by Neewer. It just didn't really hold up. It was spring loaded and it couldn't ever keep the microphone in the correct position. Then my friend let me borrow the Rode PSA1 and I was pretty happy with it. It was something I didn't have to pay for, so that was a bonus. And the PSA1 did its job at giving me enough flexibility, not very much in terms of cable management like the Elgato has, but it helped and it worked, and it helped me be more productive because I was able to get the microphone nice and close. You want to have your mic like no further than 6 inches from your mouth, because that's how you're going to get the best quality audio. If you have your mic set up like a Yeti on your desk and it's too far away, it just picks up all the audio from the room around you. So we're going to connect this thing and see how it stands up against a PSA1. So one of the things I really like about this is it's pretty rigid. It holds itself up. I don't even have to use this additional counterweight, which if you have a lighter microphone may come in handy, but I found that the tension right out of the box worked perfectly fine. The other thing that's really cool is this cable management tray. You simply pull off this strip and then you can feed your cable inside of it. Now, as an added bonus, they give you a riser, so if you want your microphone to come up over your monitors, this is actually going to help quite a bit. It's going to raise it up by an additional 6 inches or so, and I actually don't need it. I like to have a low profile. You know, if you want to have that podcast look where you've got the microphone in your shot, that's up to you. But with this setup, the thing that I am going to say to you that I love the most about it is the flexibility of being able to change the mic angle with the built-in ball head. It's high quality. This is a great setup, and I definitely recommend this. It comes in a little bit more affordable than the Rode PSA1, and it's definitely at least 10 times better than the cheaper alternatives, which just don't stand up against products like the Rode PSA1 and the Elgato Wave Mic Arm. So check it out. There's a link in the description below if you want to go and see it on Amazon. It's an affiliate link. If you use it, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. If you don't want to use it, no worries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.